When you grow Nepenthes, there is way more dangerous than just pests. There is what we call stem rot. That's absolutely something you need to spot really early if you want to save your plants. That's really like a ninja. It will grow on your plants without letting you know that it's already eating up all the substance of the stem, and you discover usually that quite late. But if you know what to look for, you may be able to catch it early and limit the damage. So today we'll talk about the stem rot. Hi, my name is Remy and I love Nepenthes. So today that's not a happy video. That's a video I hoped I would never have footage to show you, but that just happened to me. So that's the stem rot. That's something really, I don't know, invisible. You spot it kind of late. It's never too late, but it's spread so fast and not outside the stem, but really inside. So you have no idea that it's rotting from the inside out. And so I will show you what happened to my plants. And I was lucky it was the flower stalk, not the main stem. I was able to catch it before it reached the inside of the stem and start killing the whole plant. So I only lost all the seeds, which make me super sad. So this video is filmed actually something like 2 weeks after that happened to me, because I was way too frustrated and sad, etc. So I had to get time to recover from it. But at least, even if I lost the flower stalk, we will all learn something out of it. So it may help one of you guys. So let's see. So at the beginning, the flower stalk was drying. It's the process. It will dry and then the seeds will grow. But it was kind of dark, but some seeds, you can tell, was still good. So I was not afraid. It was okay. And then I spot this darkness. That was not good. And in a day, look how big it grew. And that was not dry, it was blackening. But it was blackening way too fast to be something that is normal. 3 inches in 24 hours was way too fast. This blackening always reminds me Princess Mononoke. Without the happy ending, So I cut the stem and it was dark inside. It was obvious now. So I tried to cut in an angle and yes, it was rotting all the way down. Look, it's totally dead inside. And the seed pods was still looking good, but when you see inside the stem, you see that it's only the crust that is alive. Inside is dead and it go way down. So I can't stress this enough. You cut apart, disinfect, you cut more, you disinfect until you reach the safe, the healthy part. And I tend to cut a ½ inch more than that. Better safe than sorry, right? So as you see, it was totally white in it, so it was safe now. This black rot was not reaching that part. So 2 weeks after, let's look how the plants evolved. So I moved it since then. The picture is great. The plant is clearly not dying. I can't believe I lost all the seeds from this one. Not lost. I'm a strong believer that in life you win or you learn, but you never really lose anything. So let's say I learned something and you did the same. And the plant really don't look to mind. It's shooting new tendrils, new picture. It's growing, so still good. And the flower stalk that I cut totally dried. It's really wood now. And it's safe, So again, before cutting, you want to disinfect. So you cut part of the plant, it's still dark inside, disinfect. Cut more, it's still dark, disinfect. Cut more, oh, it's not dark inside, so it's safe. But at least it will prevent you to spread on this still good stem the mold that was attacking. So you really want to disinfect until you reach the healthy part of the plant. And then you can let it dry. That's what I did actually. But I was also planning to put some cinnamon. Some people put cinnamon just to prevent mold or something unhealthy on this inside the stem. But I didn't bother because I just forgot. Yeah, if you want to go the extra mile after cutting, put some cinnamon and it should prevent anything bad to happen. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, please shoot in the comments. Please like and subscribe, it's always helping. And if you want to know more about how to do some seeds, how to pollinate the flower stalk, hopefully you won't have the same problem as me. I will put a video, and until next time, happy growing.